Welcome to my six-figure jumpstart. You have got a gem in here. I'm so glad that you're here. You're going to be extremely happy. We do all really one thing, but all down to the narrow funnel. So first of all, if you don't know what your avatar is, we've got a bulletproof system for getting your avatar. If you don't know what your niche is, we're going to get you the niche. And I'm not just talking, and we use this talking primarily with insurance agents. Anybody can use it, but this is for insurance agents that really want to narrow it down so they can sell every day. We want to make your life boring, right? So that every time you go to a appointment, you already know the questions, you already know the answers. All you got to do is build the relationship. That's what we do on our sales training. Teach you how to have a relationship based sale, so you make a friend that wants to buy from you. They want to buy from you and they want what you got and they can afford it, right? So two things: they can afford it, they want it, right? Those are the two things you got to have. So we're going to get your avatars, your niches. You're going to learn how to schedule your day, your calendar, right? If it's not on the calendar, it doesn't get done, right? And then, of course, we're going to get, started on strategies. There's certain different strategies for certain different products and certain different people. It's not just a one size fits all, although some of the stuff we have is very close, so you don't have to learn a whole bunch of different crazy stuff. It all narrows down to one thing, right? So you'll get your one-page business plan. I mean, it just goes on our personality styles. Who are you talking to? And it's like 15 minutes. You don't have to study disc for hours and hours trying to remember this. It's just 15 minutes and you'll know personality styles just like that, right? So, posting is a waste of time, right? Relationship sales is where it's all at. So welcome, come on in. You got 7 days for free, and then it's all right now. It's $33 a month till we hit 50, and then it's going to go up. So get in now, get the lower price, and it's going to be the best investment that you've had in a long time. Hey, good luck, of course, laboring under correct knowledge. I'm Stephen Beaver, your TMV Visionary Strategist. TMV, baby, take more vacations. That is how we spell your success. You have a happy and successful day. Bye for now.